Hey everybody, welcome back to the One Kid Couple channel. In today's video, we are sharing our experience of renting an ATV in Sedona during spring break. So stick around for the video, it's coming right up. So we rented a 2020 Razor 4-seater 1000 XP, and we did a 4-hour afternoon rental. So the time frame was from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. At the time of our rental, which was in March of 2022, it cost us a total of $444.12. I did want to let you know that they put a $1,500 hold on our credit card in case anything happened, anything broke on the ATV, or in the rare event that we did not return it. So keep that in mind, and that's basically going to be standard across all the ATV rental companies in the area. They're all going to put some kind of hold on your card to make sure that you don't go out there and wreck their equipment. Now, what happens is you go and check in to get your ATV, show you kind of how to use it, whatnot. It's pretty simple. Then they give you a laminated map, but there is also a GPS on your unit, and you can use that GPS to figure out which trails that you want to ride on. So that's basically what we did. We just followed whatever trail that we saw marked on the GPS screen, as you can see there. We just followed it and went around and had a great time. Now, I do have a few tips if you plan on doing this activity. Tip number 1 is don't wear any kind of clothing that you don't want to get very dirty and dusty, because all that red dirt is going to get everywhere. It's going to get it's going to get on your clothes, it's going to get in your nose, in your ears, everywhere. So keep that in mind. I would also recommend that you bring some kind of gaiter or handkerchief to cover your mouth and nose, because as you can see, it's very dusty on the trails and that stuff will get all up in your mouth and in your nose. Some other recommendations that I have include bring a jacket or blanket with you. Don't forget you're driving out into the desert, but weather can change rather quickly, and it actually ended up raining just a little bit on us, and it did get a little bit cold. I would recommend that you avoid visiting the Church of the Holy Cross before this activity. Unless you're in town very, very early, like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, maybe just after they open. The traffic getting to and from that tourist site is crazy in the middle of the day, and we were basically late getting rental center because of the traffic on that road, because there's a bunch of roundabouts and people don't know how to drive through roundabouts. If you want to go and see other tourist sites while you're in Sedona, we recommend doing it first thing in the morning or late in the afternoon before you head back to your hotel. Anyway, we hope that these tips are helpful for you as you plan your trip. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure. A force of habit to point at another mistake, but 2 wrongs don't make one right. I gotta pull it together before it's too late. An hourglass in my mind, I lied. I know it's all my fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I gotta find a way before it disappears. I
Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. If you got value out of the information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.